Hey everybody, Brian over here at Johnson's Toyota, and today we're working with a 2015 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road. This is the double cab short bed version, and this video is going to be for people who picked up a vehicle like this and they're wondering what some of the buttons do. So when I get in the truck, I'll notice right away that I have some buttons on the side here. Here's what they mean. This button over here is going to be my fog lights. That's a separate button there. So once my headlights are on, I can put the fog lights on with this button. Here's my rear differential lock. That's going to make the wheels travel at the same speed, which is going to be great for treacherous conditions. This is going to change the power for my power in the back by the bed for running accessories. Please check the power limits on the accessories you're running. Here's my left and right toggler for the mirror adjustment. This turns off the traction control. This is decline assist control, so the vehicle will actually be able to descend on its own and brake automatically going downhill. And this is roll sensing side curtain airbags off. So that's going to turn off your roll sensing curtain airbags. I'd imagine if you're off-roading, you may want to turn those off, but I haven't had the option for that in my new truck. For my off-roaders, please chime in. This button over here is going to control the brightness to the gauges at nighttime. Of course, I have my window switches with the window lock and door locks here. Down below, I have a foot activated parking brake with the lever for the hood, and I can set my PSI for the wheels and tires. The four-wheel drive system is like all of the Tacomas. It's electronic. I can turn it on the high for on the fly while moving. For low for, I want to come to a stop and go into neutral. And climate control, simple turn dial climate control. I got the fan speed, temperature, and air direction. AC and recirculate are separate buttons here, which I suggest using together on the hot days. I have my hazards. A-Track is actually going to detect when one of the wheels has lost traction and apply brakes and give power to the wheel that has traction. Then of course I have the USB and auxiliary over here with my 12 volts. Cup holders. There's a button here to open up the center console. I got my carpet down below. Up top, you actually get two sunglass cases with a soft backing so you can put them lenses in, and the lights are controlled individually. On the steering wheel, when I'm connected to Bluetooth, I can change the volume here. I can pick up and hang up phone calls here. I can do voice commands. Cruise control is here. I press this to activate it, and then I press down to set. Then I can increase and decrease the speed here. I can turn it off again or cancel it by pressing the brake. These buttons are going to activate the display. So I have the arrows, select, and back button for activating the display over here. Then of course I have audio for the radio, apps, the home screen, great place to see different information all at once. Seek and track, my phone menu, which I can also activate on this button. The eject for the CDs, power and volume with tune and scroll. And that's the basics on your 2015 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road. Let me know what you guys think. This one actually has only 61,000 miles. Now, if you're familiar with Toyota, you know that 61,000 miles is nothing, and this one is in great condition. Let me know what you think about this truck. Let me know if there was something that I missed that you want me to go over, and I look forward to making another video for you guys. I'll see you in the next one.